What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So, I know I'm late though, but I'm sure that you guys know Huawei held a huge event yesterday to unveil its Harmony operating system 2.0 and show off a couple of tablets, a new smartwatch and even some gaming monitors. Well, also Huawei took the opportunity to air a 45-second promo video of the Huawei P50 series. So here's the video. If you look at it, the promo is a slow pan, showing the quad camera system of the Huawei P50 Pro, and adding a few words to the promo video. Huawei shares that the P50 series have a beautiful, thin and light design and that they raise the bar in terms of phone photography. Like they are making the cameras of the phone even better because the Huawei P50 series will feature a 1-inch camera sensor, namely the Sony IMX800. And looking at a screen grab from the video, the quad camera on the Huawei P50 will go from 18mm to 125mm, suggesting a 5x periscope zoom would account for the long end. However, it's not officially confirmed though, it's just my assumptions. But I will say the smartphone looks really pleasing to me. Like there are a lot of memes going on with the camera module of the P50, but honestly, I really love the design because it's unique. Anyway, the video concludes with a wide view of the phone on a sunset horizon, and that's it. Well, you know that Huawei unveiled the second major version of Harmony operating system 2.0 and several new devices that have it pre-installed. But those are 2 watches and 2 tablets, no phones. And yet as of today, there are a list of phones that can run the new operating system, and honestly though, it's a massive migration. Because the company plans to switch over 100 devices, phones and tablets from Android over to the Harmony operating system 2.0. And note that this will initially only be happening in China, so Huawei owners in the West will have to wait. In fact, the company made no mention of when devices abroad will switch to the new operating system. Anyway, here are the first 2 batches of devices that will be updated. And the first batch of devices can jump to the Harmony operating system today, and the second batch will be invited in Q3, like July or September. And here is the full schedule. You will have to zoom in for a closer look as there are a lot of devices. And by the way, users who are not comfortable installing the software on their own can visit one of 66 stores in China and have someone help them through the process. So yeah. Are you ready to jump to the new operating system? If yes, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow found this video helpful, then a sub to the channel will be a great reward for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.